In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present your screen on Google Meet. Whether you're preparing for a business presentation, teaching a class remotely, or simply sharing information with friends, understanding how to seamlessly present your screen on Google Meet can enhance your productivity and communication. Let's get started by first accessing your Google Calendar. Begin by navigating to Google Calendar through your favorite web browser. Google Calendar is an effective tool for managing your scheduled meetings and syncing them with Google Meet, which makes the process of joining a meeting straightforward and organized. Once you're in Google Calendar, locate the meeting that you intend to join. You'll see a list of your planned events on the weekly calendar view. Find the specific Google Meet appointment and click on it to open the event details. Inside this event page, you'll see an option labeled Join with Google Meet. Clicking this option will initiate the Google Meet interface where you can proceed to join the meeting. When the Google Meet window pops up, you will see a camera preview and an option to join the meeting. Click the Join Now button, and this will admit you into the meeting space. At this point, you're almost ready to start sharing your screen. To begin screen sharing, look toward the lower section of the Google Meet interface for an icon represented by a set of 3 vertical dots. This is your More Options menu. Clicking on it will give you a variety of additional options, including the ability to manage your connectivity, quality settings, and much more. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Open Picture in Picture. What this feature does is it allows your video feed to remain visible in a smaller window while you share your screen. This is particularly useful for maintaining a visual presence during your screen presentation. Though these steps may seem quite technical initially, the Google Meet interface makes it user-friendly with clear icons and a responsive layout. Practice navigating through these steps a couple of times before your actual presentation. Also, remember to check your network connection beforehand to ensure a smooth and lag-free experience. With these instructions, you now have the fundamental knowledge required to present your screen effectively on Google Meet. Whether you're leading a meeting or sharing your latest project updates, you'll do it with confidence. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy your virtual gatherings and happy presenting.